use the like basis property to solve this equation. I'm going to do it both ways, actually. I'm going to use the like basis property first, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it with logarithms, which I think you guys know at this point. But that 81, let's zoom in on this. So 81, right? I would be looking for any factors of 3 because since it's a base 3, it's like 3 multiplied by itself however many times, right? So I'd say 81 divided by 3 is 27. So there's my first 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. And then 9, of course, is 3 and 3. So we end up with only 3's. And we brought up this point before. If you found any other factors other than 3, then either you'd have to change the base or just use a logarithm, which I'm going to show here in a minute how to solve anyways. So 81 it's a base 3, and then how many 3's were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 3 to the power 4 equals 3 to the power of n. So just rewrite the equation now, but now without the exponents. I get n equals 4, and we should be good. And of course, you could check this, right? So type in 3 to the power 4 on the calculator, and then see what it gives you, right? So 3 to the power 4. When I push enter, I get 81, and that confirms that we've done this correct. So that was with the like basis property to solve, but again, you could have just quickly changed this into a logarithm, right? So it's a log. It's going to keep that base of 3, but now it's a log of base 3 of 81 there, which equals n, I guess, in this case. And remember, that's kind of one of the main purposes of logarithms is they allow us to solve for unknown exponents like this. Well, to type this into the calculator, you'd say you'd have we've just been using common log, so common log of 81 divided by the common log of the base, which is 3. If you type this into the calculator, you'll get 4 as well.